I hurt my back the other day, lifted something too heavy, and so Erin got up on the table. She's up on the table and she's pulling my legs this way and that way. Whoa. She said, am I doing too hard? I said, I'm sorry, but I'll never say you're doing it too hard. I'll just breathe. 1, 2.
Barbara O'Neill introduces the topic of anti-aging and shares powerful tips that include longevity foods and practices. These secrets go beyond ordinary health tips and aim to help people stay young at any age. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Stay till the end. The last method will be revolutionary for you.
You see, I've discovered powerful longevity foods and tips that most people are completely missing. They have coconut every meal. Recently, I was talking to a couple. The lady was Samoan, her husband was Hawaiian. They were in their mid-40s, and they said, yes, that's what we grew up. That we grew up with coconut in every single meal. The BHSC method uses Bible, history, science, and common sense. Is coconut oil in the Bible? No, it is not, but then again, the Bible was not written in the South Pacific Islands. The Bible talks about olive oil because where the Bible was written, that was the oil of use at the time.
Coconut oil is highlighted for its anti-aging properties with benefits such as improved immune function, reduced oxidative stress, and enhanced skin health. It contains medium-chain fatty acids like lauric acid and antioxidants such as vitamin E, which can help combat free radicals and support brain health. Its anti-inflammatory effects are also beneficial for reducing chronic inflammation.
Coconut oil is easily absorbed and utilized by the body. In terms of skin health, coconut oil is often used topically due to its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. The medium-chain fatty acids in coconut oil may also support brain health. They provide a quick source of energy for the brain and can potentially improve cognitive function. While coconut oil shows promise in promoting overall health and potentially mitigating aging effects, it's essential to consume it in moderation, as it is calorie dense. Next thing I want to look at is castor oil, and I've got some good news. I'm not going to advise you drink it. But castor oil penetrates very deep, and it penetrates deeper than any other oil. So it can be used externally. And what it does, wherever castor oil penetrates, it breaks up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions. It can even break up a bone spur. It can break up tumours. I have known women have told me this, that's broken up lumps in the breast, and those lumps may be cysts or even breast cancer. Now, we had a doctor do our program, and she'd rung me up and she said to me, Barbara, can you help me? I've got a lump in my breast. It's 3 centimetres. I said, it's important that you go on the hormone balancing cream, buy some of those little panty liners, put castor oil on it, and just slip it into your bra over the lump. A month later, she had the operation to take it out. Then she came to our health retreat for a week to just detox. She said, an amazing thing happened, Barbara. That lump was 3 centimetres. I put the castor oil on for 1 month. I had the op, and the doctor said, you know, this is really strange. That lump was 3 centimetres. Now it's only 2. One of the guests said, well, why did you have the op? Why didn't you just do castor oil? She said, well, I didn't know till after the op. One lady told me that she totally conquered her breast cancer by just using the castor oil compresses. Remember, castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil. Now, to use castor oil, you make a little pack. Now, this is not really a poultice, it's more a compress. So you'll notice I've got an old tea towel here, so you can use an old towel or something like that, and I'm going to put the castor oil on. Castor oil is very thick, and it takes a little while to soak in. So all I do is do about a middle 1/3 of the whole area. So can you see how much I've put on? But by the end of the meeting, that will have all soaked in. So I say to people, when you're using castor oil, pour it in and don't touch it for about half an hour, and that will soak in. Now that's a really good area to put on the abdomen. Now if castor oil is applied to the abdomen, it will heal any problems in the abdomen. So what have we got in abdomen? For a woman, there's the uterus. So that will penetrate and break up fibroids in the uterus. That will penetrate and break up cysts on the ovaries. That will penetrate and soften the colon if the person has constipation. That will penetrate into the colon and heal the colon if the person has bad diarrhea.
Castor oil is recommended for its deep penetrating properties that help break up lumps, adhesions, and even tumors. It is traditionally used topically as a compress to treat various health conditions, including breast lumps and fibroids. Its anti-aging benefits include preserving skin elasticity and reducing inflammation, which is linked to age-related diseases like arthritis.
Ginger is well known for being an anti-nausea herb.
Ginger's anti-aging benefits are attributed to its high antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties. It can protect against oxidative stress, which accelerates aging. Ginger is particularly effective for joint pain and inflammation and supports healthy digestion, circulation, and skin health.
So where would we use ginger? Ginger can be used for any joint pain. So remember, ginger's for joint. And I grate up, let's say I'm going to put it on a sore wrist. Anywhere where there is inflammation in the joint, it can be used. So let's say a person's got some arthritis in their joint and it's quite painful. A ginger poultice can be made because this ginger poultice appears to draw the inflammation out of the joint. Cayenne pepper is a very powerful herb, and cayenne pepper moves blood. Cayenne pepper can be used internally and it can be used externally. The easiest way to take cayenne pepper internally is to start with about 1/4 teaspoon, put it in a cup, add water, mix it round and just drink it down. It'll tingle for a bit, but the tingling subsides. I find most people can build up to 1/2 teaspoon. Why would someone take cayenne pepper like that? Cayenne pepper thins the blood. I know several people that have chosen to stop warfarin and their blood thinning medication and go on the cayenne pepper. And one lady told me that her husband went to the doctor and he said, "I don't know what you're doing, but keep doing it." Because the cayenne pepper was keeping that blood nice and thin. No side effects to the cayenne pepper either. Cayenne pepper thins the blood. Cayenne pepper strengthens the arterial walls. Cayenne pepper, I was reading, has also the ability to rebuild the heart muscle.
Cayenne pepper, rich in capsaicin, is praised for its ability to boost circulation, thin the blood, and strengthen arterial walls. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that help slow aging and improve skin health. Cayenne pepper can also be used to replace certain medications for blood thinning.
Muscle knows no age. In other words, whether you're 9 or 90, you can have a strong, fit, healthy body. It's not a bad idea to Google 100-year-old athletes and just have a look at what they're doing, because no one here is actually 100. My offsider, Amelia, who worked with me for 5 years, she's a naturopath. She got married. She had a little app on her phone, just a photo of 2 women. Both of them were 80. One of them was overweight, hunched over with a walking stick, and the other one, she had like a sports bra crop top on and then jogging pants on, and you could count her abdominal muscles. She was, both of them were 80. Muscle knows no age, so whether you're 8 or 80, you can have a strong, fit body. But what is the best form of exercise? A lot of people say to me, I don't exercise because I just don't have time. So I'm going to show you a form of exercise today that only takes 15 minutes a day. Are you interested? Yeah. Oh, I'm very interested. We used to do half hour a day. And one of the reasons I started exercising, yes, I didn't actually officially exercise because I thought I'm always busy, I'm in the garden, I'm running here, running there. And this happened to me probably about 15 years ago now. I went to New Zealand and the lady I stayed with said to me, I do a 5K walk every morning, would you like to join me? It's through the forest. I said, I would love to. I don't have to get the kids up, I don't have to put the washing on the line, I don't have to get the breakfast going because I still had a few teenagers at home then. Well, after about 3 kilometres, I could hardly keep up with her. And she was twice my size, 10 years younger. The next day when I woke up, oh, I could hardly move. I could hardly move. She said, are you coming, Barbara? And I said, yeah, sure. How can I not go? I'm the health teacher. I'm in their town giving health lectures. Anyway, I definitely couldn't keep up with her this morning. And every time she turned around, she said, you going? Yeah, fine. Oh dear, did it hurt. It hurt very much. She had a friend with her. I just lagged way behind. I learnt my lesson. From that time on, I've exercised every day. That's when I realised being busy all day is not enough. I acknowledge if you work as a gardener and you're hoeing into garden beds and...
Barbara emphasizes that muscle doesn't age, and people can maintain a strong, fit body regardless of age. She promotes high-intensity interval training. Daily exercise, even just 15 minutes, is highlighted as essential for overall health and vitality. The importance of healthy eating is underscored, with a focus on consuming quality nuts, seeds, avocados, and cold-pressed oils. Regular movement, stretching, and staying active are stressed as critical components of a youthful lifestyle. If you found this video informative, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you won't miss out any future videos.